Imagine traveling in China like a peregrine falcon, the fastest animal in the world. You can go from the ancient capital of Beijing to the modern metropolis of Shanghai in less than 5 hours, or from the southern city of Guangzhou to the central hub of Wuhan in less than 3. This is the reality of China's high-speed rail network, the largest and most advanced in the world. But what's the secret behind the incredible China speed?
我叫翟龙，我的工作是研制跑鞋，不过这个跑鞋不是你穿的，而是他穿的。没错，我是一名轮轴开发工程师。事实上，高铁车轮是世界上公认的技术要求高、生产难度大的尖端产品之一。而令人惊叹的中国速度背后呢，其实正是我们领跑世界的高铁车轮制造技术。
This is Bao Masteel's production line of high-speed rail wheels, where wheels are made with cutting-edge technology and world-class standards, and with incredible speed and precision.
如今，一块车轮从干净到扎制成型只需用时68秒左右，18名工人一天可以完成1100余件车轮的扎制。车轮的金弹孔尺寸偏差不会超过半根头发丝的直径。
Masteel Group got China's first wheel carbon footprint certificate in February 2023, showing its commitment to green manufacturing and innovation. Its products include wheels for all types of vehicles, such as locomotives, trucks, buses, high-speed trains, and subways. They are exported to over 70 countries and regions.